Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to work 3 stitches into the same stitch. This is a common technique used to create shapes like petals, shells, and increases in crochet. We will go over this using single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. The rule is simple. You work 3 full stitches, one after the other, into the same stitch or space, completing each stitch fully before starting the next. This adds more volume and creates a spread in the fabric. Let's start with the single crochet. Insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. That's your first single crochet. Now insert your hook into the same stitch again and repeat that 2 more times. You should now have 3 single crochets in the same stitch. This creates a nice increase. Now let's do the same with half double crochet. Yarn over first. Insert into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Repeat this 2 more times in the same stitch. I've put the abbreviation and the symbol on the screen so that you can note it down. You have just made 3 half double crochet in one stitch. And finally, let's try with the double crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You will have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through the last 2. Do that 2 more times in the same stitch. Now you have 3 double crochets in one spot. And that's it. You have learned how to work 3 stitches into the same stitch using single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner crochet tips. I'll be back for more free crochet tutorials. See ya!